For over 12 years, Reel Nature has been the beacon of innovation and expertise for international productions and cinematographers seeking to capture the essence of Zambia. Our expert and dynamic team possesses deep knowledge and unparalleled access to Zambia's rich and cultural heritage. With our expertise, we ensure a seamless filming experience, from facilitating permissions and licensing to providing comprehensive logistical support. Specializing in remote access, Reel Nature is able to unlock Zambia's untapped locations, people, and wildlife. And their stories. We look forward to welcoming you and supporting your vision as it comes to life here in Zambia.